Hi everyone. So let's pull out some cards for Leo for the first week of October. Let's see how their energy is going to be in first week of October. So let me take out three cards for them. Instead of three, I got four cards came out themselves. Okay, not so good energy. Not so good energy. All the cards came in opposite. It's downward. First card is Eight of Swords. Yeah, one thing good is happening in this week for Leos is that earlier they were like if you can see here, so many swords are there. This person is able to come out of this energy from this bond he has this rope tied around him and all. He can get rid of these things very easily, but he is not doing it. So earlier the Leos were in this energy, but now Leos are in this energy. They will be coming out of this energy. They will be not bounded anymore. They will be not in this energy. They will be free soul. But the other card is the World. See, the World card upright is very good, but your world will be shaken this week. This week energy will be heavy for you, Leo people. This week's energy gonna be heavy for you. And as you know that sun is traveling, as per astrology also the sun is traveling towards its deviation sign. So obviously the Leo people will be having these kind of heavy energies and not so good energy for at least for a month. So these all you will be facing on first week of October, because this heaviness and these energies will start moving, like deviation energy, and all will show its effects. And if you can see that Ace of Pentacles, new start, new beginnings, new ventures, everything, but it is in opposite sign. So nothing new is coming for Leos in this week. I can't see anything new coming in this week. The Sun, this is the happiest card in the tarot, but if you can see, this card also came opposite. So lack of happiness and kind of like stressful energy will be for Leos this week, but doesn't matter. Still, this is a good card that you will be coming out of that that bondage energy and the energy where you were feeling yourself trapped from. You will be coming out of that trapped energy. So this is a good card, though means like other cards is not so good, but this is a good card. So once you will start once you have reached this level, obviously you will reach other levels as well, because this was the most important thing for you to do in this life, do in your life. So this week kind of stressful, but hope to be better soon, because sun is going to get depleted in the month of October. Okay, so let me take out one card from the unicorns deck as well, and let's see that what unicorns wants to give us for this week's guidance and energy. See, I'm trying to take out one card and so many cards are coming, the heavy deck is coming. So you can understand the kind of heavy energy will be there for Leo people this week. How much I'm trying on me. More and more cards are coming. This time if I'm not getting one card, and if I'm getting more cards, I'm gonna take all the cards, because I will take it as sign from universe. I'm not able to take out one card for Leos. These many cards are coming. If you can see, the first card is Archangel Uriel. Archangel Uriel. Become a peace ambassador. Be quiet, meditate, be happy, and create peace with yourself. Peace ambassador. Create peace. Magic. There is magic around you, so expect excitement and joy. See, this card is supported as you are coming out of this energy. So when you are coming out of this trapped energy, obviously you will feel that there is magic around you, and excitement and joy will happen, because you are coming out of this trapped energy. Okay, so obviously this is this tarot is supported by this unicorn energy as well. And when you are coming out of this trapped energy, obviously you want to be peaceful. The other card is listening. See, listening. Listen, and the answer will be revealed. You have to sit, you have to talk to yourself, and you have to listen to your inner voice. Nothing is outside, everything is inside. So you have to listen to your own soul, and you will get all answer. Closeness. See, closeness. Your unicorn is so very close to you. Your angels are very close to you, but you have to understand it. The angels are very close, and you have to reach them, right? They are within you. Just you have to talk to them. For talking to them, you just have to talk to yourself. Start talking to yourself, and they will be near you. You would be able to feel them. Flight. Let your creative imagination fly. So when you will give your thoughts power, and you will start thinking creative and all, then only the prosperity will happen. Prosperity is flowing towards you, so be open to receiving it. As I already said, that when you will come out of this trapped energy, so right now the things are not good for you, the flow will be slow, and the energy will be kind of messy, but still you have these things in future. You will be getting all these things in future, so you be open to it, and don't be disheartened, and just listen to your inner voice. Sit, meditate, relax, talk to yourself. And now I will take out the card from this deck, my favorite angel messages deck. Okay, so one card I will take out. So that I am closing the light, so you will be able to see the card. Yeah. Archangel Jophiel. I am reading the message from the angel first. Archangel Jophiel. Wisdom is stored in my cells and bones. I am conscious of my intelligence. I tap into ancestral knowledge. Meditation comes naturally. I go within for guidance every day. I integrate and process all that I perceive with ease. See, as I already said, that meditate, and the card also came for the meditation. And the stone for you this week is shell fossil. Are you ready to uncover memories or wisdom stored within your consciousness? Spiral inward to understand your dreams and visions. Recognize the value of the past and use it as a stepping stone for the future. You have much wisdom inherent within you. Use it. See, this card is also supporting this card. It is also clearly saying that recognize the value of past. You were in this trapped energy. Now you are coming out of this energy. So always remember when you were in this energy. Okay, always remember and recognize that how you were when you were trapped in that energy and how you are feeling now when you are a free soul. So always recognize that energy and be this in this energy and take it as a stepping stone for your future. Just don't think about past in that way that oh my god, I lost my time and this happened to me, that happened to me and all. Don't think in that way. Think in a way that yes, this happened with me and this has given me a step to rise in my life. Okay, so that's all for the Leo ascendants. Thank you so much for watching.